In this daily drop, I'm going to talk about a couple of items that you don't want to forget when you're taking your cameras out on projects. So let's go. Okay, everybody, this is the first episode of the week, shot just before I went out of town because I have to shoot a couple of extra episodes because I'll be in production. And one of the things in the past that I have forgotten to bring with my camera systems, which I'm going to talk about right now, are these right here. Now, I have a lens. I'm going to take that off of this camera body, and then what am I supposed to do? And this has happened to me because I'm not ready to do a lens swap. I'm putting stuff away or I'm packing things, and I realize that I have forgotten two essential items, which will go together if you are using anybody's particular camera system. This is what's called a body cap, comes with every camera body. So that's going to go on here and protect that and the sensor. And then this is a back cap for your lenses. And if you are using, for instance, in this case, E-mount, then if you take the E-mount body cap and you take the E-mount back cap for a lens, they will go together and they will travel together, and Bob's your uncle. That's the same for Canon or L-mount or whatever you're going to be using across the boards. We normally remember our lens caps, but this is an item that I have forgotten in the past, so make it part of your checklist. The back cap for your lenses, your body caps, make sure you have them with you. You pack them with your camera equipment. Don't forget to. And I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.